Hello, my friends. Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is time for another 30-second card in 5 minutes. Sometimes it's more. Sometimes it's less. You never know. I never know because I don't know what I'm going to make until it's done, right? So if you've never seen one of these episodes before, I highly recommend you go back in time and watch the one I did literally 13 and a half years ago. Yes, it's still on YouTube. Yes, it's around. It's floating around the internet. And you can see it and why we do this. Because it is fun, first of all. But I honestly, 13 and a half years ago, told my husband Ken that I could make a card in 30 seconds. And I said, time me. And it didn't exactly work out the way I thought it would. But it was fun. So we keep doing it. And today I'm going to use... We just re-released the Fancy Frame Flip-it Die Set. I'm going to use that. And we just released on our website the birthday collection of the birthday cats. Now, why did I pick them? Because I found in my workstation here, because I have a couple little cutouts that I did a while ago, and I even have a little tortoise I colored. I even have a little pelican. But I saw these and I'm like, you know what? Boom. That could help. So you never know. I might use those. Let's see. And you know what? Let's grab the stamps that match this just in case. We're going to open it up because it's brand new. I'm going to open it up because you know what? I might use them. Maybe. Maybe not. Well, Ken, are you ready? Oh, and I have 3 colors over here. I just grabbed 3 colors that were in my craft station. I have ocean, I have kiwi, and I have white. But I have this entire paper pad also. Okay, Ken, are you ready?
Yes.
Hang on, let me think for half a second. Okay, I'm ready. On your marks, get set, start the time. Okay, so first we are going to die cut the base. And I don't usually die cut bases out of colors, but today we're going to. So we're going to trim this down, and we need to trim this one down, because I'm using my Midi. As you all know, the Midi is my favorite and I love it, so that's what we're using, and it's fast. So a little bit of a speed bump there, so hopefully it cut out all the way, but we're running this all the way through. This will be my card base. Let's grab it, let's check it. Oh, a little bit off because it's a speed bump, but you know what? That's a quick cut and we can fix that really easy. It's nice and straight. It's always the straight cuts that don't work out perfect. It's crazy. Now, what I'm going to do is I need layering dies, and I think ideally pattern paper would be perfect. Oh, those dots. Oh, those dots are perfect. So let's grab these dots. Let's grab our layering pieces. The nice thing about this is it doesn't matter how they line up because it is a random pattern. So I can run that through. Meanwhile, thinking about what I'm going to do next. So I think this is going to be a hello card. We might not use those cats. That would be crazy, wouldn't it? And so we're going to go ahead and really quickly add these to our card base. Tape runner is always so fast and nice. So we're going to add this right there. We need to trim that a little better. That spot where it didn't get trimmed perfectly. There we go. That would drive me crazy. Okay, now we're going to add this to the back over here. Flip-its are so awesome because literally it's like a card kit, a card pack in a kit, right? It's all done. And then we're going to fold it, hold it in the air, half towards you, top flap open, left, little side's always on the left. And ooh, let's do the hello. So the hello die we need to use with another die. So let's grab this, and this, one of these I thought, yes, has adhesive on the back. That's almost cheating, but not quite. And we're going to grab this over here. We're going to lay that down. Line it up, spend an extra second lining this up because it's worth it. And we're going to line that up. We're going to run that through. Fast, fast, fast. Go a little faster by doing our cutting pads separately. So we're going to run that through. There we go. Grab that, grab that, grab this. This is going to go right on the front. So we're going to pop this out. Now we kind of need to, oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now we need, I kind of feel like we need a yellow on the, here. Oh, good, yellow. So let's grab the solid yellow. Oops. And we are also going to get the main die itself. So let's grab that. Do we need any other? Probably should cut out 2 of these. So I'm going to tear it. Oh, tear it again. Use this. There we go. There we go. We're going to die cut 2 of these at the same time because we need to. And we're going to, whoops, run that through. And I'm probably going to stamp on one of these. Let's see. Okay, so we have 2 of these now. 1, 2. You can die cut 2 as long as there's not a score line involved. So, oh, that one had a little tear mark. No, we got to do it again. Darn, darn, darn. Darn, darn, darn. See what happens when you try to hurry. Let's try that again, but let's do it this way. Okay, there we go. Run that through again. Darn, 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 darn. That cost me 15 seconds. Pooh. And there we go, there we go, there we go, trash. And we're going to add this. Remember, this has adhesive on the back, so we can peel that gently off. Don't get too wound up and go fast. There we go. And we're going to lay this down. Let's see. Hello. Well, hello there. Look at that. And that is going to go on our front. So we're going to add adhesive here. We're going to add this right there. Look at that. Gorgeous. Now on the inside, I want to put this, but I want to stamp something. Where'd those stamps go? Thinking of you, miss you, thank you, love you. Let's do thinking of you. Hello, thinking of you. Hello, thinking of you. On the back of one of my, that is funny, on the back of one of my personalized stamps that we can use in just a second, grab some scratch, check it. Let's do it again because it's a brand new one. Stamp. Getting better. One more just to double check. There we go. Nice and dark now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Perfect. Then on the back there is a personalized stamp. So we're just going to do that one really quick because it's right here. Add that right there. And let's finish this off by adding this. Oh, cover your pad. Always cover your pads. And we're going to add this right here. And then we're going to stop. Stop, 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 stop. Did you stop? Okay. Ready? Here we go. Flip it card, you guys. Fast card, flip it card. And it has the wow factor. Watch this. Hello, thinking of you. Hello, thinking of you. Hello, thinking of you. Even have my personalized stamp on the back. Not bad. And I had a mistake. My goodness. Okay, Kenny, this one I know is going to be good. I just know it because I can feel it in my bones. What is it? Not bad, not bad. 4 minutes, 51 seconds. You can't really beat that. For a flip it card, if I asked everybody, if I went on the street right now and I asked people, how long do you think this took me to make with the stamp on the back? They would say probably a couple hours because this is awesome. So thank you so much for joining me for another 30-second card in 4 minutes. I'm going to sing it from the rooftops. 4 minutes and 51 seconds because I got stamping, die cutting, flipping. I got it all on this card. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm in with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock she don't wear the white. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me.
Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.